50% of dashboard, right? So we're gonna create a today completion of dashboard. So I'm just sharing my file. See, in case if you want to open my file, how to open, let me just show you here. If you double click, you will get this file. Okay, if you double click, you can get this file, or else you just need to open Tableau, and whatever you have done yesterday, you can open that file. There's two ways to approach. In case if you want to open the file, then open from Tableau public you will be having, and you can open from there also. Okay, the second way of approaching. So yesterday we have created pie chart, donut chart. We have only created pie, line, and map. So you have added all the four, and you have added the XLR logo. Yes or no? Yes, till here we are good. Can I start? Cool. So now if you want to add borders, or if you want to give the fill colors, see here. So whenever you see this category wise sales, you don't have any color here, right? Only you have in the visualization part. So if you want to give the color here, then you have to go to the layout, and here you can see the background color, and you can select whichever the background color you have given. Now can you see the differences? So here you have to manually give. In the layout, you should go to the background and you should select the color. And again, for all the visuals, you'll be selecting one by one. It is not available in one single go. Can you guys cross check this to add the background color of your title? Okay, now here, even in this XLR logo, if you want to add it in XLR logo, because we have added yesterday the link, so it is capturing the link. If you want to add the background, then you have to select this XLR logo, go to the background and select the background over here. So you will get this kind of a background. Even for the title, you have to go and you have to do it. So for all the visuals, you have given the background now. Okay, after giving a background, what else we needed? So for example, if you present in a presentation view, can you see the space? Can you see here the space? So you can even give the borders, or you can ignore the borders. So would you like to give the borders? Let's see how it works. To add a border in the layout, you need to select any one visual border, and you need to select the line, and you need to select the color. So you're getting the borders. Can you see that now? Inside the layout, you have a border, select the color, select the line, and do it for all the visuals. Border, line, color. Manually, you have to do, guys, for all the visuals individually. Everyone got this? Okay, after getting this border, now let me just show you how to get this answer. If you click on the presentation view, this is called presentation view. You just need to click on this and it will show you like this. Now you are seeing the border line, but do you see the space between the border lines? In my screen, I can see the space, right? So if you want to reduce this space, if you click here and you will see it. Can you cross check once before going ahead? Done till here? Okay. Now, if you want to remove this borders, I mean, if you want to close it, you should not give a gap. Then you should go in this layout and you should select here outer padding. Okay. This outer padding will help you to reduce the border with a white space. So here, if you type 0, any one condition, if you type 0, enter, it will reduce the size. Can you cross check once? Click on this and type 0. For all the visuals, you need to select manually and you need to type 0 there. Now you'll not see any space between the borders to borders, the visual to visual. Questions till now? You just need to select one visual and you have to go to this border and you have to add. After adding, you need to change this outer padding has 0. So what it will happen, it will reduce the size, the white blank. Clear? Are you guys getting till here? Cool. Now, the third question I have here. You got all the information, borders is also there. Where is slicer? Do we have a slicers? No, right? So we can add slicers. When you select this category and when you drop down this, you can see here filter option. And this filter will give you the category filter. So when I'm selecting this visual and dropping this more option and selecting here filter, you can see category. And once I click, I'll get here category filter. Again, I'm selecting this segment, dropping this black color and selecting the filter and segment. I got the segment here. Again, I'm selecting this, dropping filters, and I can see country. I got the country option. Again, I'm selecting this, dropping it, and I'm selecting here filter and month. I got all the filters. Clear? Can you guys try once? Done till here? Okay. Now right click and you have here option called, apply to worksheet, and then you will be using this data set. Why? What is the reason? Anyone? What is the reason behind this? What you are trying to do now? Give me the answer. Whatever I'm doing, you're following it. But why? The question comes here. Now, why you're trying to achieve this? I have selected this slicer. Okay. Right click and I'm applying to this option. What it means?
All worksheets. All worksheets.
All worksheet means? So here, if I select here furniture, it is only working for one visual. Is it working for all the visuals? No. So what we are doing, we are trying to achieve with right click, apply to worksheet, and if I'm selecting this, now if I select the furniture, is it working for all? If I select office supply, it is working. The values are getting changed. If I select technology, the value is changing. Got the point? So if I'm removing everything, I can't see anything. So what we are applying, we are syncing the slicer for all the worksheet. Got the point? Now again, I'm selecting this segment, right click, apply to all using this data source. Again, country, right click, apply to worksheet all using this data set. The same concept will be applied for all the visuals. Can you guys do it? Okay, I hope everyone is clear with this. Okay, but I need this visuals. Listen guys, I need this visual or the slicer inside this one. Where I need? Inside this visual. This is category, so it belongs here. This is segment, it belongs here. So if I'm trying to drag it, is it popping up? No, you can't do that option. Getting it? So you should select single view slicer, right click, and here you have what option? Floating. Floating means you can move that slicer. Okay. So I'm selecting the slicer and I'm taking it here. But it is only not like this. If you're taking like this, what will happen? Your visual is getting impacted. So which option we need? Something we have in the slicer. No, one more. Drop down. No, it should be a drop down. So what we gonna use here? Drop down. So now if I reduce the size and if I move this anywhere, either right hand side or left hand side, doesn't matter. If I move like this, now is it impacting your visual? No, it is very clear. There is no overlap in this part. So what you have to do, first select this, right click and use drop down list you have created. Got it? Second, right click and you use floating part and then move this slicer anywhere where you have the segment. Clear? Can you guys try once? Are we clear? Okay. Now, do you see this option, the gap? Right? In your screen, you have this gap. So if you want to remove, right click and you have remove container. This will help you to remove this container. Now you got this and align it in a proper way wherever you want it. So if you are keeping like this, you have to keep in this way only. So make sure you keep in a proper way. Because when you remove that container, this all will change again, the location and all. And now the next concept comes here. Now in this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add something here to download, I would say to download the file in a PDF format, in PPTF format, and in some other format. So for example, I'm just taking this objection, which is called objects download, and I'm dragging and dropping next to the title. Can you see here the space? I'm just dragging and dropping it here. Which download you are getting here? Download PDF. It is saying you alt and click to download. Okay, alt and click. You can reduce the size like this and you can keep it. But do you see any condition here? Now you don't know what it is. It is a download PDF or what? Okay, so I'm just keeping here like this. I'm right clicking and I'm editing the button. Now here I have one option called image. If I click on this image, I can choose the image and we have a Tableau here. I'll be sharing you this file. So Tableau photos. In this, do you see PDF? Yes. So I'm just selecting this and clicking open. Okay. And then I'll just click OK here. Automatically, I got PDF download. So if the user want to download PDF, he'll click on this. Got the point? So I'm just sharing this file. Please open that file. Photos. In your chat box, I'm sharing all the zip file which I have the photos. Clear with this? In case now I need PPT download. Getting it? So I'll be dragging again the download and I'll keep the position over here. The same concept. I'm selecting here, right click, edit button. Now this time what I need? PPT. So drop down and which option I need to select? PowerPoint. And select the image, choose the image and you can see here PPT image. Click OK and apply and check. You'll get that. Clear? Can you guys try it once? The same concept like PDF, we are using PPT. Just you need to drop down and select this. Everyone, please cross check. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Cool. Now the last concept again. We are taking again one more download option and we are adding here. So in this time I'm adding the image. So I can just click on edit button and I can add here image. And in this, if you want to add an image or you can add it, or if you don't want to add, you can choose the text only. It's okay. So once you click OK, you'll get download image. But I don't want to show like download image. It should be only image. Okay. So right click, edit button, and here you'll be having the optional title there. So I just want to write here image and then apply and check it out. Can you see here image? So if you click on this, it will download the image. So this is how you can create it. So right click, edit button, and this time I have not added any image, just I have selected the option called image. Select the image and write the title and then click OK. You'll get the answer. It's very simple concept, guys. You're clear here? Okay. After creating this, You can see here the border lines, but you're not seeing the border lines for these three, right? So you need to select this border line. So how to add URL in Excel or image? Okay. Right click on this, edit image, and below you can have this option. So you can see here. These are the URL page. Okay. Now guys, everyone, please have a look. Till here you have a borderline. Do you have a borderline for these three? No. So you will be selecting one by one, going to the layout again, border, you will be selecting black color. Again, you will be selecting this border, black color. Again for this border, black color. All the three. But the problem is, you can clearly see there is an inside border, not the outside one, the outer line. So you have to use here 0 as the outer padding. And for this also, you should use 0 for outer padding. And for this also, you should use 0 for outer padding. So if you type like this, then only you will get the borders. Now you can see the border line there. Got it? Can you guys try once? Then after doing this, you just need to click on presentation mode. Now in this presentation mode, if you click any of this, it will download in that format. Right?
Oh, no need to click all.
No, here you don't require. In the presentation form, if you click directly, it will open. Is it getting downloaded?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just showing you. If I need the image format, I'm just clicking on this image. I'm getting it here. So I'm just selecting this and it is a dashboard. Okay, if I click on PPT, it will convert in a PPT and it will show me. If I want PDF, I'll just click on this PDF and it will ask me, and you have to just click OK. But here there is a condition, entire workbook or active sheet. If I need entire workbook, then I'll select this and I'll click OK. It will ask me the location and I'll save it there. All the pages, whatever you have it. Now it will open automatically. Have a look. So this is how you can use this 3 options. Now see. Hey, good, congratulations. Yes, this is the first page. This is the second page. This is the third page. Each and every page it is showing you. And at the end, it is showing you this condition, the dashboard. Got it? So entire page, but it will not give you in the same sequence. It is A4 sheet size.
Yes.
So always remember, you have to refer the dashboard only. Clear? So this is how you're gonna give this output. Any questions still here? If you have any questions, you can ask. There's one way of approaching the dashboard. Now the second way will be presenting. Anyone? Any questions?
How to add slicer?
How to add slicers? Okay. To add a slicer, you just need to drop down this. Can you see here? I have selected the segment. Drop down this arrow and you will be seeing the filter and you should add the segment for segment. Okay. Anyone else? Any questions?
You can also download the active sheet.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to share with others, sir, this dashboard?
How to share with others?
Yeah.
Okay. That we'll be discussing, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
For landscape, newspaper and A4.
Landscape in the sense, it will be like this. The same format. Guys, are we good? This is one type of dashboard. Shall we create a second type of dashboard now?
Yes.
Okay, please save this. Okay, but before going to the second type of dashboard, please have a look. I'm creating one more dashboard here. Everyone, I'm just adding one more dashboard to show you how the navigation works. Okay. In this dashboard, I'm just clicking on here the automatic option. And now let me just select here Which one? State-wise sales, and I got it here. Okay, this is my state-wise sales. But instead of using this, I'll be discussing this later. We have something called web page URL. Getting it?
Yes.
So in object, inside the dashboard, remember this, inside this object, you have web page. You can drag it and you can keep it here. Automatically, it will ask you what? URL. Okay. If I type here, www.flipkart.com and click OK. You got it? So whichever the page you open, it will show you here. Or whichever the page you want to open, it will show you here. Okay, what is the benefit of this web page? We'll discuss later. I'm just showing you how it is working. Clear on this? This is called dashboard web page. Can you guys try once? Dashboard web page. So what you have to do, you have to drag this web page and drop it in a new dashboard. Add a new dashboard, drag this web page and drop it here. And you can type here www.flipkart.com. That's it. Okay, now let me just use here dashboard 1. Now in this dashboard 1, I want to create a navigate to dashboard 2 to the next page. So here I'm gonna use navigation and I'm gonna select here and I'll keep it here. So this we have to redirect to that page. So right click and you can edit the button and it will ask you to which page you want it. I want here dashboard 2. So you can add image or you can keep this only, the text. It's optional. So I'm just keeping a text and clicking OK. Now let me reduce the size of this. Now see here. If you're using here, instead of presentation mode, if you're using here, Alt and click. In which dashboard it is moving? 2. Okay, why we are using like this? Let me explain you. Whenever you are here, you'll not be seeing the sheets here below, right? So at that time, you can click on this and it will navigate to this page. And if you want to come back, again, you have to create a navigation here. I hope this makes clear. This is how we're gonna navigate. Please make a note of this. Once you have done, please save it. Okay, close this dashboard and open a new one. Now we're gonna create this kind of a dashboard. Please have a look here. So we'll try to create in 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So you will think it is possible or not. The first question is that in your mind. Okay, let me just show you how it is. Then you decide whether you can create or not. If you want to create at home also, you can create like this pattern, which I have created here. Have you seen this? There is a complete package. So this is dashboard 1. And this is another way of approaching. This is borders. So without borders, you can see here. And this is with borders. Can you see this? The borders are there. And then you have it here. And this is the complete information. So we're gonna create like this now. So it will not take more time. You just need to create a normal dashboard. Clear? So we'll be creating this. We'll be adding the slices in this way with the help of containers. We'll be using filter, hide and unhide option. So if you see this, these are the filters you are seeing. If I click on this, can you see? Are you seeing any filters here now? If I click on this again, are you seeing the filters? So these all things we'll be creating now. Is it clear? So please open Tableau public one more time. Then after that, I'll be showing you how to share the workbook. And load sample superstore data. the same data set. Clear? Fine. Okay, now coming to the next concept. We're gonna start now. So first, I want everyone to add order date in the rows and drop down, select more and click on custom and select here month, day and year and click OK. So yes, first you need to take this order date, drag it and drop it in the rows. Then drop down this arrow and select more option, click on the custom and you need to select here month, day, year and click OK. And the same thing you're gonna do with ship date also. Clear? Do with ship date also the same concept. Again, one more time, please have a look. You just need to drag this order date and drop it here in a new sheet. Drop down, more, custom, and here you need to select month, day, year for the order date. The same thing, again take this ship date and add it here. Again, you need to use drop down, more, custom, and then month, year, day. So you need to select these three conditions. So this is your order date, this is your ship date. Now in this, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna add region, we're gonna add segment, we're gonna add even category, and we're gonna add subcategory also. Now in this scenario, we're gonna add sales, profit, quantity, okay, for your discount. Clear? Take all four. Now add a borders and everything. Everyone, how to add the borders, you know very well. So you should add borders like this. So this is the border. In the sheet, you'll be adding each and everything. So you just need to right click here anywhere or go to this format and click on the borders. And then you have to add the border lines for each and everything. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, once you guys have added, you can just increase the font size and you can align it in a proper way if you want. If you want, I'm saying it. Like this. And if you want to align it in a proper way, align in center. So this is your order information. What do we call? Order
Information.
information. So this is one sheet which you have created. Now what I need here is I want to add orders, everything in this picture. What do I want to add? Orders. So here, let's see how it is gonna work. So I'm just taking order date and dropping in the filter, and I need to select the year and click on next. And I need to select all the years and click OK. I repeat what I have done it here. So I've taken this order date, okay, drag this in the filter, and I have selected the year, and I have clicked on this, and I've selected all the years and click OK. And I got the year filter. Clear? Can you guys do it? Done? Good. Now we are adding a dashboard here. Now in this dashboard, you can customize the size. Okay, but I'm taking the complete entire screen to show you how it is working. So I'm clicking on the automatic and I have selected only one page information. I'm taking this and I'm dragging it here. Nothing more I need to do. Okay. Now if you see here, you have a containers also, right? So we will be using this containers later on, not now. So first I'm adding the text above. And I'm writing here order information dashboard 2025. This is another dashboard which we are creating in a simple manner. There is no more informations, only the detail inform you will get it here. Not overview. After typing this, you just need to reduce this one. So like this. So what we have done, we have dragged this text and dropped it up the 50%. Okay, do it once and then write this option. Okay, here, everyone. Now, after adding this, you need to add this container. Which is this container? Horizontal container. Okay, you will just drag it and you will keep it like this. So you got this portion, you just need to keep till much here. So you got this here. Now, if you select this visual and if you use your filter, can you see here category, region and all the things? I'm selecting here. I got the year over here. Again, right click on this filter and I'm selecting region. I got the region filter. Like this, you will be using it. For that, first thing you need to know how to add the container. So container, you can use this horizontal, which will go like this, the portion. Okay, you can just take the portion till here and you can increase the size like this, or you can decrease the size like this. Clear? Now you can see this much space you have it. If you want to reduce, you can reduce like this. Later on, you can do that conditions. After adding this container, right click on this visual and then filter and then add order date. Like this, you should add again filter and add region. Do it and check it out. These are the 4 conditions you have to add. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Now in this, guys, now you have this dashboard here, the title. Okay. Now inside this, I want to add one, blank data or blank shape. So do you see anywhere here blank shape? Yes, blank. See in your screen. Let them also see. Yes. Now drag this and drop it here next to the title. Drag and drop it there next to the title. Done. Okay. In this, we're gonna add hide and show button, filter hide and show button. Okay. How to hide it and how to show it. Let me just show you. If you right click on this and if you see here, add and show button, add show and hide button. Do you see here? So just you need to select this, right click, add show and hide button. You'll get one button there somewhere here. Can you see here? This will come and you have to place it here next to this. You'll get the smaller one like this. You'll not get the bigger one. You need to increase the size. Try it once, guys. Now, if you select this and right click, you have edit button option. What do you have? Edit button. In this edit button, what you can do is you can select the image. If you want to show the item, what do you want to show it? Choose. And you have here, if you want to select the item. So if you want to unhide, open this. Okay, if you want to show this. If you want to use hide, choose this and you have to select this. And now click OK, you will see here. If you click on this, Alt and click, it will hide. If you click on this, it will unhide. Right click, edit button. Here you have item shown, item hidden. Item shown, choose it, and you have here unhide option. Select that image. So like this, you will be doing it. For hidden, you will be choosing another image. Choose and select this image and then click on open. And you will get it here. Now, when you are clicking Alt and click, it is getting hide. When you are clicking again, it is getting unhide. Working fine? Okay, but the problem is it is only taking this half part, right? If you need a complete portion here, horizontal complete, select this, right click. Do you see the second option? Distribute, contained evenly. If you click on this, it will automatically adjust. Again, I am showing you. Here you are getting the gaps. To fill this gap, you have to right click and you have to select this option. The second option. Cross check, please. Clear with this? Viva, you have this, no, in the zip folder. The photos which I have shared, no, in that it is available. Take it out. If you want, I'm sharing it again. Now you got this. Just you need to add, what conditions you need to add here? You need some borders, right? So go to the layout and then add borders for each and everything. And make sure the padding should be 0. So if you don't want a space, even for this button also you need to add. Now, if you want to add some image here, you can show the image also. How the image will work? The image here, if you want to show something Suppose I want to show some other donut chart. Okay. So the percentage of ratios, it may be anything. Let's see. Let's assume that I need to know shift mode percentage in a donut chart or in a pie chart. So what I'll do, I'll add one more sheet now. So I'm adding a sheet after creating a dashboard. So let's see. I'm just selecting shift mode, show me option. Okay. So you just need to select shift mode and sales. I repeat, you just need to select shift mode, press control and select the sales and click on the pie chart. It will convert into a pie chart entire thing. And then take this shift mode in the labels and take this sales in the labels. And drop down and select here percentage of total. Now you can see here. So you got this visual. This visual I need to add in dashboard 1. You know how to create a pie chart, right? And you know how to convert into percentage also. Please let me know right away, or else I'll go slow here. Yes, no? Cool. So here I'm just taking this dashboard and I'm keeping it here. Perfect. So it is working in this way. This is how I need it. I can edit the title from here itself. Sales percentage by shift mode. Order data. Apply to all worksheet. The slices need to be changed. Apply worksheet to all using this data source. That's it. So if you do like this, it will work. So this is another way of approaching. So what we are trying to do is we are using for the both the combination. For example, if I select here only central region, so this will show me only central region and this will also show me central region. If I select central and east, the value will change. If I select here south, the value will change again. And if I select west, the value will change. So like this, I have to press it. Clear? This is how you're gonna create. There's a second way of approaching. This I have used here, pie chart. Cross check if you're not getting, let me know. I hope you are clear with this, everyone. Any questions? If you guys let me know, I can help you out. Percentage. See here, guys. So ask me. I'm here still. So first, what we have done, we have taken this sales here. Okay. In this, we have taken the sales. Agreed? So you got the sale. Drop down this and click table calculation and you have percentage of total. If you click, you'll get the calculation here. Okay. Now select the sales again to the labels and you'll get the value. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this label, 3 dots, and then here you're gonna modify this option. So first you need sales. Take this and place it over here and give a space. If you need a brackets, open the bracket and close the bracket here. So like this, you can do it and apply and check. You'll get the answer. Clear? Can you guys try once?
Sir, how to insert this pie chart into dashboard?
Dashboard, you just need to come here into the dashboard and you will be seeing sheet 2, drag it and drop it. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
So this is a simple dashboard where you are showing the order data information based on the ship mode percentage. Okay. For example, if anyone asks you, okay, in 2024, let's assume that in 2024, what is your order date? Let's see. I'm just adding here 2024. Okay. The order is like this, whatever you're seeing. Actually, you should give here the sales and all those things KPI, which we have not given now because yesterday we tried with that. Okay. So 2024, you have these many sales on the day wise option. Now, if I need specific month, I'll just right click here or I'll just select drop down and I'll use filter. And do you see here month option? I can use this option also. In case if I want to add a new slicers or filter, I'll go to the order information. I'll take order date and I'll keep it here and I'll select which option? Month. Or if I need month and year, I can select month and year also. Now, instead of using year, I can use month and year. Let me just show you one simple option. Select all, click OK. Now, let me just come back here in the dashboard, drop down, filters, you can see here. Somewhere you got month, year of order date. Now, automatically it got adjusted here. Did I do anything? No. Okay. Now, in this, what I'll do, I'll just apply worksheet to all using dashboard, the data source. Now, whatever I have selected here, 2024, it should automatically get filtered. If it is not getting filtered, let's see. Now, I'm just removing everything and I'm selecting 2024. Okay, is it getting filtered? No. So this visual need to be connected with this. Getting the concept here? So we have done something called which option? Only relevant values. Now, can you see here? Whenever I'm selecting this, it should apply here. So in this, I need only December month. So I can see now clear information. December 1st, I have ordered and this is all ship dates. In which scenario, which segment, which subcategories, what is the sale, profit and quantity and discount, and what is the ratio. All the information you are getting it. So this is how management requests you to get it the answer. I hope you guys got this. Just try from here and if it is okay. If it is not, then leave it. No issues on this. Now, once after trying this, I'll give you only 5 minutes here to try if you want to try, or else you can ignore this part. That is not mandatory. Once you have done, please save the file also. Day 10, dashboard 2. सारी चीजें लेकिन कोई response नहीं कर रहा ना. First, you have to take this order date and drop it here. Then, starting point, you know. Then we'll be using a filter option. Okay. Once after adding the filter, you will take this order information, drop down, filters, and then you will select month, year of order date. And then automatically it will capture here. After capturing, right click, apply to worksheet, all using data source. Then after that, here you have to use one more condition, only relevant values. So whenever you select the year, automatically it has to capture here. That's it. This is a simple dashboard what you have created. I hope everyone has saved this file. Did you guys saved it? Okay. Now here, if you want to publish this to Tableau, so you will be using file and you will use save to Tableau public. So in short, what you can use, Control S. If you are using Control S, it will ask you to sign in. This is where you will be using Tableau public. And you're gonna give the mail ID. You all know your mail IDs? I don't know. So I'll just check it out. I have created in day one, no? So it is, which one is this? Are you Mohammed 3051? Okay, 202501. Okay, January 1. 2501@gmail.com. And then you need to give a password. At least, do you guys remember your password? And then sign in, it will go there. I didn't remember mine only. What I'll say you guys. That's correct. Now see, dashboard day 10, dashboard 2. I'm just removing this name. And I'm just writing here, order information dashboard. That's it. And I'm saving it. So once I save, it will go to online server. This is how you can publish your dashboard. Clear on this? Now from there, you will be sharing to the users with a mail ID, or they will be seeing directly if they have a Tableau desktop or Tableau public. This is the platform. Now next class, you have action dashboard and storytelling part. Is it clear? See, this is the last page which you have used it. And remember, whenever you use public or dashboard online server, you'll get only the last page, whatever you have created. And this is how it shows you. And if you need to explore more, if you want to learn more designing KPIs, see guys, you have everything here. Just download and learn more. Okay. So I don't want to break your head. So that is the reason I thought to give you a basic concepts. Okay, how to create it. If you want more information, you can create like this. 20 ways to design your KPIs. Okay, all these informations are available. If you want to change the color also, you can change the color. Any questions? And if you search, anyone is recently used, you can search here also. Suppose you are interested in HR data. Okay, let's talk about that. HR dashboard. If you search like this, you will get n number of HRs. Now, whichever you want to create, you create. The same concept, you can take it in Power BI. Got the point now? So this way you can create the scenarios. Now you decide whichever you want. Any questions still here?
Sir.
So the next class you will be having action dashboard. Okay, that will take around 1 hour and half an hour storytelling part. So Monday we will be having a class. Tuesday is a holiday. Okay, Tuesday is a Shankranti, so you have a holiday on that. So Wednesday will be your technical presentation. Is it right? Good.
सब मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग डैशबोर्ड कौन से हैं वैसे टैबलू के लिए?
Sorry ma'am.
सब मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स यानी टैबलू प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए कौन से हैं?
वही HR के ही डैशबोर्ड रहेंगे और रिक्रूटमेंट के रहेंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सेल्स वही रहते हैं हमेशा.
सर सेल्स का तो क्रिएट हो गया. HR और कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं है सर, जैसे AI के बेसिस पे या उस पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं?
हाँ कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो यूज नहीं करते हैं अपन.
ओके सर.
Recent is me only. Oh, not bad. Someone who is Netflix dashboard. Nothing she has created. Then why did she mention Netflix? Or she is planning to create. See guys, basically we will be creating like this, attrition and all. This also I have created. In earlier days, I have created like this. This is actually which we have worked recently, to create a pie chart, donut chart. This is how. So even you can create within a single minute, you can create. See, adding a new sheet. Those are new things which you should learn it. So for example, double click, 0, double click, 0, and then entire V and dual axis. And then it should be a pie chart. Remove this and go here, increase the size and come here, change the color to white. That's it. And if you want to increase the size, you can increase like this. Clear. Now you can just remove this, show headers, and you can remove this 0 line, format, line, and you can keep it none. So it gone, everything gone here. Okay. Now if you want to show the region wise, so let's see here. Day before yesterday also we have done the same thing. Region in the colors. Okay, if you don't want to show in the colors, let it be. Just drag this region and drop it here. All the 4 regions, you got it. Now you take the sales and add in the labels. In the labels over here, you can see. And again, if you want category, drag this category and drop it here. Different colors. And what they have created is the same thing online. There's nothing more. Here is active and inactive. Or gender by male and female. That's it. So like that, you can also create here. The same concept you have created. And this also you can add in your dashboard. Now sheet 3, if I want, I can use in dashboard 3 like this. And I'll get it here. Got the point? So we'll not be using like this in real-time scenario, but I'm just showing you how to work on it. So these are the concepts you should learn in real time. Okay, Chalo, please save it and close it. We are good to go. Thank you all. Take care.